Today, Apple delivered the most recent versions of its various operating systems, as it had promised last week. Since iPadOS 16.1 is the first edition of the operating system we've seen so far after the first release was missed last month, it is iPadOS 16 that steals the show. And with the release of iPadOS 16.1 alongside iOS 16.1 today, the version numbers for the company's mobile operating systems are back in sync, just as rumors had predicted. Only iPads equipped with Apple's M1 chipset can use this, and it automatically arranges windows and apps. Additionally, it enables drag-and-drop creation of overlapping windows of various sizes in a single view, create groups of programs and open them from the dock or side windows to multitask more quickly when necessary. For its OnePlus N series devices, OnePlus has finally begun introducing Jio 5G functionality in India. The OnePlus N-T, OnePlus 10 Pro, and OnePlus 10R are some of these devices. It should be noted that this upgrade is exclusive to India and is rolling out gradually. You will therefore need to wait a little while if you own the aforementioned device and have not yet received the most recent Oxygen OS upgrade based on Android 12. Also read $315 billion will be made from 5G services globally in 2023. Other users with any of the three qualifying phones can easily check to see if the update is still available for them by going to their phone system updates. The update's standout features include enhanced network and Wi-Fi performance, connection dependability, and screen quality. Nothing had previously introduced its first tvOS earbud, the Nothing Ear 1, and since the product achieved enormous popularity thanks to its distinctive transparent design, work had already begun on the Nothing Ear 2. Now that reports have surfaced, Nothing is reportedly planning to introduce the Nothing Ear 2 tvOS earphones on October 26. Exclusive images of Nothing's future tvOS earbuds from Nothing Ear have been revealed exclusively by homegrown tech portal 91 Mobiles in association with tipster Kuba Wojciechowski, 2. Carl Pei founded the Nothing brand, which debuted with the Nothing Phone 1 and Nothing Ear 1 earphones. For those who are unaware, the Nothing Ear 1 features clear voice technology, 11.6mm dynamic drivers, and supports both AAC and SBC codecs. OnePlus has unveiled the Nord N300 smartphone in the US as part of the company's Nord series expansion. The smartphone includes a 6.5-inch IPS LCD screen and a MediaTek Dimensity 810 5G CPU. Notably, this is the first phone to include a MediaTek chipset to be sold in the US. The OnePlus Nord N300 is the 5G phone that replaces the Nord N200. The new Nord phone is only available in Midnight Jade as a color option. With a $228 price tag, about $19,000, the device has 4 GB of RAM. The gadget will be offered through Metro and T-Mobile in the US. On November 3rd of next month, it will be on sale. Seamless updates are finally being added to Samsung's phones. Galaxies have not yet received the functionality, which debuted on Pixels in 2016 and is included in many Android phones. Instead of having to wait for your phone to be completely unavailable throughout the update process, it enables an update to be placed on Partition B while you use your phone on Partition A, and then you just need to restart. According to an interview with Samsung Electronics VP Asun Jiang, the company is working on integrating seamless updates into OneUI 6 next year, Sally. It would be reasonable to anticipate the Galaxy S23 series because it would be reasonable to anticipate that the Galaxy S23 series would have the functionality even before OneUI 6 debuts later next year because Google has made seamless updates a requirement feature for any phone that launches with Android 13 at launch.